guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabe. Happy birthday to you.
Hands up for a disco party.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy
Oh.
birthday. I have three wishes. Number one, I wish to say. I wish it out loud. or else I will not.
It's okay. Mag-blow lang siya.
Ako.
Mag-blow lang.
I
Oh,
wish
make a
for
wish.
an iPhone 16.
I think there's a 17 now.
Where is it? Because you said it out loud.
Yay! Happy
They say
Oh, yung-
if you
yung
don't,
cake.
if you don't say in your mind, then
What's your
it's
party?
true. Let's put this on fire then.
Oh, slice the cake na.
Yay! I have
Louder, louder.
Yay, I don't think that's supposed to hurt.
Okay, get your plate, guys.
Yeah, you just gotta cut that part to cut that. Just cutting that part. Thank you, Tita. Eat it. Me first. Me first. Eat this part. Eat that part. Yeah, that's the best part of the party.
Yeah. Kuya,
How dare you do that?
Yeah, come on. It's ice cream cake.
You cut it. I know how to cook. My mom taught me, and now I can learn how to cook. Mine's so tiny.
ang liit naman, iniwasan ko yung...
Gianna. It's for Gianna.
Baka hindi
Yeah,
naman.
but shake this part. Yeah?
Dito tayo sa likod.
The
para
tiny.
ano.
Oh, ew, they're chocolate. Why tiny?
So later, we'll take a
Making it
picture
tiny. I want
still.
big.
Baka hindi
Are you
na
sure you finish
maubos,
it?
ha?
Yes,
Make
I
sure I don't
will.
want
Just
it
finish that
over.
first, then come back.
Okay, but I won't eat their chocolate. I hate chocolate cake.
Bakit?
More.
Wow. You get 2 pieces.
Yeah, yung jacket mo.
I want a giant piece. How big that? That's a big part. That's a skinny piece. Yay! Guys, we opened not. Guys, I want a big piece.
Mm.
Yeah, I want a big piece.
So on that couch.